Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 3, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a buy candidate with a score of 3.68. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.53%. This means that on average, it has provided a daily return of 1.76% since it was identified as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $38.21, as it could indicate a slower falling rate and potentially the start of a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected minus 14.65% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between minus 31.31% and minus 13.22%. For the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 86.66% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 56.26% and 167.87%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $58.72 to $100.67 after a year. Our latest update on the TQQQ ETF reveals that its price ended at $37.58 on Friday, after experiencing a gain of 3.53%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, November 3, 2023, the TQQQ ETF price increased from $36.30 to $37.58, resulting in a gain of 3.53%. This marks the 6th consecutive day of gains for the ETF. While it is not common for ETFs to sustain gains for such a long period, it is important to note that occasional declines for a day or two should be anticipated. Throughout the trading day, the ETF's price fluctuated between a low of $36.63 and a high of $37.98, representing a 3.69% fluctuation. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 of them, resulting in a 10.24% increase over the last 2 weeks. On the last trading day, the volume of shares traded decreased by 296,000, with a total of 113 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $4.25 billion. It is worth considering that a decrease in volume accompanied by higher prices can indicate divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we observe that the ETF's highest price was $47.14, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price is 20.28% or $9.56 below the 52-week high, and 80.31% or $153.30 below the all-time high reached on January 8, 2021, when the price peaked at $190.88. Let's analyze the signals for TQQQ, the popular ETF. The TQQQ ETF currently shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable forecast for the stock. However, it's important to note that there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals. The long-term average is currently above the short-term average. On price corrections downward, there are support levels at $33.66 and $35.95. If the stock breaks below either of these levels, it would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was recently issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, October 26, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 21.78%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is identified. However, it's worth noting that the volume fell during the last trading day despite the price gains. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's important to closely monitor the ETF's performance. Additionally, there have been some negative signals issued, which could potentially impact the short-term development of the ETF. It's crucial to take these signals into consideration. Lastly, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently signaling a sell. This adds another dimension to the analysis. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is indicating a sell signal. Pivots are showing a buy signal 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands also gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages is showing a buy signal 34 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the following signals. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 19 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. Let's start with the downside. The ETF currently finds support just below today's level at $35.70 and $34.47, based on accumulated volume. It's important to note that there is a natural risk involved and an ETF is testing a support level. If this support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In the case of TQQQ, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $34.47 and $30.86. Now, let's talk about the volatility of this ETF. TQQQ has the potential to move significantly throughout the day, making it a high-risk investment. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for this ETF. In the past day, TQQQ had a price range of $1.35, which is equivalent to a 3.69% change. Looking at the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 3.82%. Let's dive into some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If the market is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $38.04. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the price to break through this level before entering a position. However, if you already have some shares, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ faces its first support level at $35.70. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, as you anticipate a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $36.24, which represents a decrease of 3.56%. This ETF experiences high daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. However, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 6 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, there are several positive short-term signals. This suggests that the current level may present a buying opportunity, with a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the short term. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, November 6th, we anticipate TQQQ to open down $0.183 and begin trading at $37.40. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you understand and accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day ahead. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.